What's going on, guys? It's Kyle. This is Big Money Mindset. Pleased to bring you another video here today. And in today's video, we're going to continue to talk about the hottest stock in the entire EV sector, and that is NIO. Once again, I want to say congratulations to everyone that signed up for the Patreon. The link is in the description. We've been making some crazy money these past couple of months. These stocks are still beginning to boil up with some more rocket fuel. And I'm going to show you guys inside of my Patreon the absolute monster gains that people from all over the world are achieving day in and day out. We'll just take a look at last week's call option updates inside of the Patreon before we get into the NIO stock update. All right, guys, this is my Patreon VIP website. And basically, I just do an updated post at the end of the week. What options is treating you the best? What are you still holding on to? You can see that we've definitely been buying into NIO, the past couple of months nonstop. People have been entering and exiting. Up 500% on NIO. Total return on NIO calls 807%. 1,000% from 6K to 66,000. You gotta understand, there's some people in here with some big money. I'm just teaching them how to put their money to work and make some crazy, ridiculous gains. A lot of people did not think this stuff was achievable, and I said, guys, just give me time. Just have a little bit of patience, and I promise you, you're going to hit your first 5x, 10x in the near future, and people from all over the world are achieving this. When it comes to call options, nobody does it better than my YouTube channel, and I'm telling you guys, my VIP group is one of the best in the world as far as Patreon. I mean, the list goes on and on. Blink, 700%, NIO, 500%, 100% on NIO at the moment. I mean, it's just absolutely absurd how much money people are making on call option. I just want you guys to be aware, I do updated calls 4 times per month, every Sunday. As we're looking at the NIO stock right now, we can notice that it has been very flat for this past week. You have to understand, and the reason why this stock has been growing so rapidly is because, they've had some solid earnings. Month-over-month sales are increasing. So we're just flat because, the news is a little outdated right now. So we do have a lot of great news coming in the near future. Basically, the November sales are going to be coming out, right around December 2nd or 3rd. We're going to see how those went. And then we have NIO Day coming in the near future to be releasing new vehicles. And we'll just take a look at my call option updates that I've been doing. And basically, you can see right now, I'm up nearly 738%, on these NIO calls. I'm up $13,000 on NIO options that I've been purchasing. These are the exact same options I put out for my Patreon members because I want to see people make tons of money. Why would I just want to keep all the gains for myself? I want people to be achieving more gains than me. As you can see, some people have bigger money than me, and they're making some crazy, ridiculous gains. I just want people to understand these types of percentage gains are achievable. Why would I sell this company right now when they just had a $5 pullback and they're getting ready to release awesome sales numbers in the near future along with NIO Day with new vehicles? This is just a gold mine, and I'm trying to hold on to this call as long as I can, and I wish I purchased further ones out. Those are the ones I'm listing now for people to buy into that, are new to NIO. You need to understand, just because this stock is 50 bucks doesn't mean you're too late. Better late than never on getting in the company before it runs to, astronomical numbers. So we'll take a look at some quick articles. 3 Chinese EV stocks to put under your Christmas tree. I thought this one was really funny and cool that, Motley Fool put out. They're talking about Li Auto, NIO, XPENG, but specifically we're going to talk about NIO, and the part that I want to talk about is, so the reason why they're so bullish, on NIO right now, and, the big banks are giving these awesome buy ratings. China is the world's largest new vehicle market, and the Chinese government is pushing the adoption of electrical vehicles. So China is trying to make their, a cleaner environment inside of their country. And basically, as in other auto markets, upscale premium market segments are where the fattest margins will be found among electric vehicles. And NIO is priced right around those Tesla number ranges, $40, $50, $60, $70, $80,000 vehicles. And these are very good margins because people are willing to pay for that premium for these amazing electrical vehicles. And right now, according to Bank of America, this is the biggest bank, along with Chase, to come out with the buy rating. NIO and Tesla together have about 90% of the market for premium electrical vehicles in China. That is crazy when you look at future growth, okay? I know you see in 50 bucks, oh, it's a little high. I don't know, it's a newer company. This thing could run forever over the next 5 years. So just know it's still an amazing time to buy in the short term as well as the long term. And let's take a look at another article. NIO to launch 2 back-to-back sedans in a challenge to Tesla Model 3. So these vehicles are going to be released right around the beginning of January. I believe January 9th is the NIO Day. But aside from NIO Day, I'm still looking into sales. Sales are coming every month. We're getting updated sales. That's why you see these $5 and $10 price jumps month over month. And right here, we can see why NIO has just been on an amazing run, all the way from that $2 range up into, I think they hit 56. And you can see that the sales are just increasing at crazy paces. Look at this. We can see that the monthly deliveries has just been growing at a very fast rate since the pandemic happened around March. I mean, take a look. 1,500 vehicles in March, 3,100 in April, 3,400 in May, 37. A little pullback in July to 35. August 39, September 4,700, and then we just hit 5,000 plus for October. Those November sales are coming out, guys, in the next 2-3 days. So with this 5%, pullback on NIO, it was 10% earlier. I'm making this video on a Monday. I'm going to be releasing it Tuesday. But basically, the stock is still down $5 from its high of 56 before these sales come out, along with these big banks giving fair market value around $54. I mean, you're just in a great position to enter for the long term. Once again, I do have NIO stock. I've been buying NIO stock around $10, $11 months ago, but my Patreon group is also focusing on long call options for the future, and I've been listing some for May, April, and even December for next year. And basically, this is a great long-term investment as well as a short-term investment because of the rapid increase of sales and basically, awareness nationwide. So basically, just some catalysts we want to look for with the NIO stock is, November sales are going to be coming around December 2nd, in the next, 1 or 2 days. So just be on the lookout for those. We just hit 5,000 for last month. So if we see a crazy jump, to the 6,000 range, which I personally think is possible, 6,000 vehicles being delivered for the month of November, we're going to see a nice potential $10 increase, from these big banks. This is what's going to keep happening with NIO month over month. NIO Day is going to be on January 9th, I believe. Don't quote me on that, but that's what they're saying right now, around January 9th. They're going to be releasing new vehicles going into the sedan market. Those vehicles are looking very nice. You can take a look at the sedan they have. That thing is slick. It kind of looks like an Audi, A7 to me. Somewhere around that type of body style, but man, they are clean. Also with Tesla, kind of looks like a similar to Tesla, but more of an Audi A7. And so that's gonna be coming out, within 5-6 weeks. So be on the lookout for NIO Day. Next quarter earnings, they plan to hit around $1 billion in revenue. That's a big jump because they just hit 600 million, I believe, 660 million. And, they plan on going up another 300 million for the next quarter. So those sales have to be rocketing up quick. So my NIO price prediction, what you guys have been waiting for, I'm going to go with March $100. That is my price prediction, and I do think this is a very fair price prediction because this is another 4 months out. We've already hit a $55 range, and all these massive catalysts are coming in December and January. So I'm going to go with that $100 price point. And understand, if you're getting in now at that $50 range, and you have the entire year of 2021, 2022, guys, you could potentially be looking at, a 3-4x in the near future if this stock does gap up to like $200. So be very excited. And also long term, you want this stock to build more awareness, more sales, and potentially be a little overvalued because you're going to be looking for that stock split down the road, just like we seen with Tesla and Apple. When Apple hit that $400 range and Tesla hit that $2,000 plus range, these stocks are growing too fast. You want to get that stock split for the long term. And, I believe NIO is not going to be a company that does not want to, comply with U.S. regulations and try to hide their numbers. I feel like they're going to be very, very transparent on their numbers, and they want people to see their numbers that they are having. And if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say I really do appreciate it. I enjoyed doing this video for you. I just want you guys to understand NIO is a great short-term play as well as a great long-term play. There's a lot of opportunity in the market with NIO because of so much awareness and so much news being updated month over month. So I just want you guys to understand it's better late than never with entering a company. You don't want to let a company run forever and say you missed out, on the Amazons of $3,000, the Google's $1,000, when Tesla hit $2,000. There's a lot of opportunity. You just have to make that jump. And, my Patreon group, we're going to be entering a lot of call options for NIO in the near future. So I'm very excited for NIO. I'm happily invested with call options stock. This stock, I sleep very well at night. I'm very confident. So just understand that's my bullish price thesis. In the near future, I expect this March, we're going to be hitting that $100 range. So be very excited. And once again, I want to say thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a great day. This is Big Money Mindset. I'm Kyle. Later.